Long time no see. It's been a while since I posted some videos, so I'm gonna show you today my very first vibe coded application. It's a simple and not so simple CRUD fast API application that I actually managed to deploy end to end. So I developed it and I actually deployed it on a third-party hosting platform. There's actually another two cool features. I have a Telegram bot that sends me notifications whenever there is new posts in a particular feed, and there is AI powered summary. I'm going to show you how my application works. So let's say there is a bunch of different popular RSS feeds. I'm going to copy the link. It's called Wit and Delight blog RSS feed. Don't even know what this means. So I'm going to add this particular feed, and it's called Wit something, right? So I'm going to hit execute. So before we can actually fetch all of the blog posts, we have to add the whole feed, right? The RSS feed. So last fetch says null, and the ID is 9. So last fetch null means I haven't fetched any of the blog posts for this particular RSS feed. So my RSS feed is empty. Get method allows us to just list them all out. So if we just execute, we're gonna see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the last one that I added, right? Last fetched is null, is active true. So let's actually see. We can delete the obviously the one of the endpoints. Now let's actually try to fetch all of the available stuff. Let's see how much we have. Oh yeah, see, I have 35 articles. My Telegram bot just fired me a message showing that you have like 35 new articles, and they're coming from the source Wit and Delight. So yeah, that's cool. My Telegram bot works fine. Now let's actually just see all of the available articles. So remember, my feed ID is 9, and let's see, like it said, it has like 35 something. Yeah, 35, lots of them, right? 35 different blog posts. So as you can see, summary here is null. So summary, usually it's null, but it's going to replace it with AI powered summary. AI powered summary comes from Gemini. So if I actually call a particular method by the ID 414, for example, it's going to give me the AI powered summary. So let's actually give it a try. So this is just basically getting the article by article ID, nothing new, the same information. Summary is null. Now the funny part is this. As you can see, this is article ID summarized. This is a post method that's gonna trigger, that's gonna call Gemini AI through API key, and it's gonna give me a summary, AI powered summary. Yeah, that's the AI powered summary. That's cool. So officially my simple CRUD application is actually AI application. Yeah, so that's the summary. Amazing. And there is basically basic health check. Now I'm going to show you the actual app. So the not advertising anything, it's the most generous free tier hosting platform. No any card required, you don't have to add anything. So there is basically just a Postgres database, and there is the actual application, which is my fast API application. It's using the source code. The source code is pulled from the GitHub repo. So your GitHub repo has to have CI/CD. Whenever I commit and push a change, Railway, because it has access to this, to my repo, to this repo, it actually fires its own deploy process. So it has deployments, variables, blah blah blah, settings. Yeah, so I guess that's about it. I'm really happy that I managed to actually deploy end-to-end my application. Now I have a better understanding of how things work. Actually, deployment is like kind of like the easiest part in my opinion. Okay, that's about it. Thanks. Bye.